into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wondered we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast? Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized. Be on our separate ways as we fade into gray. But I still miss the way you used to feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast and let us go? It's time to surrender now that it's ended. Nothing to say, 'cause guess we've said it all. Now why do we care to dream? Guess we wanna believe that it's not too late. And why do we care to dream? We gotta believe it is not too late. I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. Did what we could, my friend, but now we're at the end. I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wondered we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast? Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized. Be on our separate ways as we fade into gray. But I still miss the way you used to feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast and let us go? It's time to surrender now that it's ended. Nothing to say, 'cause guess we've said it all. Now why do we care to dream? Guess we wanna believe that it's not too late.
Hey guys, so in today's video I'm just going to show you how I overwinterize my geraniums. I'm pulling all of them out, and this is how I'm able to get them, store them, and then propagate them to get more. So at least I want 100. I have pulled a lot here right now, so I'm just gonna put them on the floor. I still have a lot of leaves. I don't know what's going on over here.
I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. Did what we could, my friend, but now we're at the end. I look into your eyes, I see we're out of time. I guess no one's to blame, nobody crossed the line. I guess we couldn't see, somehow we couldn't feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. But I remember days I wonder we were always gonna last. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast? Will be no hard goodbyes, thank God we're civilized. Be on our separate ways as we fade into gray. But I still miss the way you used to feel. Maybe we rose too fast, maybe we got too high. Yeah, I do remember tears and the laughter. How could we fall so fast and let us go? It's time to surrender now
So it's in the evening right now. It's raining heavily outside, and I've been able to bring all the geraniums in. They're actually right now on my kitchen counter. So I'm gonna flip the camera around for you guys to see, okay? And then we're gonna begin. I'm gonna show you how I actually store them in the paper bag that I have. I still have to dry a lot of them, but I think I've dried a few of them that I'm going to be storing, and that's what I'm going to be showing you guys. So let me flip the camera around, and then you guys will see what I have on my kitchen counter. So here they are. I think I probably have about 60 geraniums. I have to dig them all up and separate them. This is gonna take a few days. I'm just gonna leave them on here. I have to like cut a few of them, but I think I have like 60 geraniums. Initially I thought I had like 30, but I think I have twice of that, and I can probably get a lot more cuttings from this. So now these are the ones I've dried. I have to I'm going to take all the leaves off these because I don't like when I store them, I don't like them with leaves on them. So I'm going to be getting rid of all the leaves. Yeah, and then I usually buy my paper bags because they're 10 cents a piece from Walmart. So I have about 20 Walmart bags here. I buy them slowly, that way they don't think that I'm stealing them. So yeah, so here are the bags. So let me just set up, and then I'm gonna show you what I do. I have to get rid of a lot of things of these plants, so I'm gonna be storing one. Yeah, so far. Hey guys, so before we begin, we're just gonna have a quick chit chat as to why you might want to store these things in a paper bag. All right, so I have my wine here. I'm gonna put it away. But I don't know if you know, if you ever go to the supermarket and you buy something, like let's say you buy a fruit, like I usually buy pear, and they're never ripened, but all I have to do is put them in a paper bag, close it up, and then 3 days it's ripe, right? So now why does this happen? Because paper bags sort of emit ethylene gas, sort of helps the fruit to sort of ripen quickly. So that's why if you have anything that's now like ripening quickly, just throw them in here. Now when it comes to geranium, we want to put them in here, okay? We want to put them in here because we don't want them to have like mold or mildew or anything like that. If I were to put this in a plastic bag, my geraniums are never ever going to survive because it's going to get hot in there. They're not going to be able to breathe. Paper bags actually allow them to be able to breathe, so that's why it's so much easier to just put them in here and then throw them in a basement or a greenhouse if you have one. I don't have a greenhouse, so these are gonna go into my basement. Yeah, so that's why you want to store them in a paper bag. Hey guys, all right, so let me show you what I do with these geraniums. I've actually already remove the leaves from one of them. This one I usually like to have some soil on the roots as a form of protection, but when I remove these, some of them didn't have any soil, but I like to remove my leaves, right? So I was doing this off camera, but this is how I like mine. And the reason why I'm really excited about these, and they are so easy to propagate. Look at the nodes on here. I don't know if you can see this. Look at this. These are where you cut them from. Look at how many nodes are on here, right? So let me just do one on camera quickly because I have a lot of geraniums. So this I'm gonna put away. My tool is not as sharp as I wanted it to be, so I'm gonna be using my hands a bit. Let's see if I can. I just try to take the leaves off. I don't like them with leaves on. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let me, I'm just gonna do this quickly. Now, I need a better tool.
Into your eyes, I see we're out of time. Did what we could, my friend, but now we're at the end.
yeah, so look at this. This is already done, and look at the notes on this one also. I don't know if you can see this properly. Let me take these out. Look at this. I can probably get about 4 more new geraniums from this plant alone. Okay. So if you are, I'm in Connecticut. If you are in Connecticut, it's getting cold, take them out and bring them in. Now this to me is perfect. This is the other one I've done also. So I'm probably gonna put these two in the same bag. People say put them separately, but it's worked for me. I always put them together. Sometimes you can break gardening rules. Okay. So we're gonna do that. Sometimes you buy tools from Amazon and they suck. So this is not the best. So anyway, so yeah. But look at how healthy the roots are right here, right here. And then I'm just gonna put these in the paper bag and then staple it. Like they're in here, they're in here. I mean, you can use something else. You don't necessarily have to use this. Personal preference, I just like to use this because I like to check on my plants every 2 months to see how the roots are. If they are dry, I sort of put water in a water bottle and I just like mist the roots a little bit because I want them a little moist. Okay, so yeah, so they're in here and then I just put them away in the basement. You want to store them in a temperature that's between, I think, between 40 and 60 degrees, okay? And then they should be fine. And once like winter's over, all you have to do is take them out of the bag and then repot them, which I'm also going to do once I'm able to, like, once winter's over. So right now I have about 20 Walmart bags. I'm doing 2 in a bag or 3 in a bag. It's probably not gonna be enough, so I'm probably gonna get more bags. So yeah. So if you have geraniums, don't let them die. Don't leave them out in the winter. Just dig them out, and trust me, you can save them and just like propagate them to get more if you truly love them. I love geraniums. They give me such nice colors, so that's why I go through all this. Look at my place right now. Like, look at this. I have all this right here. So yeah. So thank you so much for watching. I hope this little video helps you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!